Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to talk about the metric system. And the metric system has different avenues for you to be able to measure what's happening on your website. For example, if we go into the visitor section, the visitor section will show you the 1,000 most recent entries in your log. So if you click this magnifying glass, you'll see what exactly on your site was accessed and from what IP address it was accessed from. You also have an error section. So if you click inside of the error section, this will show you your error log and it'll show you everything that has happened on your site that may have not gone the way you or your visitor wanted it to. So if you have an error message or you have a broken link or some problem is a missing file, you'll see that in your error log and it'll be reflected along with the time that the incident happened. You can also measure bandwidth. And bandwidth is how your site is being used and how your site is being used over time. When you look at the monthly reports, you can drill down into the detail. And for example, if we click inside here, we'll be able to look to find out how the days broke down. Now the raw access page will show you individual breakdowns who specifically visited your site. You can find the current raw access logs by clicking any of these links. You can find the archive data by going down into the archive raw logs and downloading them to your hard drive. AWStats takes your statistical information and makes it visual. So for example, if we click inside of the view section, we'll get the same information as we were able to find in some of the other tabs. However, we'll be able to look at it in a more visual fashion with different breakdowns and your left side menu to be able to find and look at the information differently. And the metrics editor will give you a choice between different statistical programs to monitor your data. In some cases, your host will have these choices locked. And you can see that here. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.